Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. Now, as you can see, we are in the Instagram message part of the app. And as you can see here, there's a draft of Meta AI that I've tried to send. But again, for those who don't know, Meta AI has been around for around less than a month, almost a month. And it's only been released to like a couple, like a dozen or so countries in the world. It is not available for everybody yet. I would assume that it's going to be available in the near future for everybody. But as of this moment, only a few can, use it. So, for example, if you've been using it on your app, on your Instagram, chances are you're going to be fed up because it can be annoying. It can be very active and just, have a lot of notifications and whatnot. And you want to turn it off. The only way to turn it off is that, well, you can't just delete it, right? You can't just say off Meta AI or whatever. And the only way to do this is go to your settings. If you're an Apple user or an Android user, nonetheless, go to where you can uninstall and reinstall settings and go search for your Instagram app, like so, right? After that, just uninstall your Instagram app. That is the cleanest way. That is the only way at this moment. We don't have any option to deactivate or turn it off or tap, to make it, not do anything. The only way you can do it is through uninstalling your Instagram app and reinstalling it again. Now, it's a bit tedious, but like what I said, it's the only way we can do it. Hopefully in the future, there will be an option for us to uninstall, well, not uninstall, but deactivate or turn it off on the apps that we are using it on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.